In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3253 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while. Your antivirus include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter file, then you can right-click on the file and select Extract All. And click Extract button here. Open the resetter folder after that. Then you can run the adjustment programs. But for the first time use, you need a password that you can see on these password.txt files. After that, you can run the adjustment programs. In here, you can click Select button and choose model name to Epson L3253 printer and click OK. And click particular adjustment mode button here and select wash ink pad counter and click OK. Then tick main pad counter option, flatten pad counter option, and ink system pad counter options. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialize button. After the resetter works, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. In any case you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson L3253 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.